For the homework regarding function notation, I'm going to review a few problems and then the others will be done for homework. So if f of x equals negative x squared plus 3x, find f of negative 3. Again, with function notation, I want to look at the beginning of it and what we are told to find, and I want to see what got replaced. So in this case, my number negative 3 is inside parentheses. X is inside parentheses to start off with. This tells me each x is going to get replaced with negative 3. So f of negative 3 is equal to, and then in our problem, all the signage comes along with it. So we start off with negative, and then we put our x value, negative 3. We're squaring it, plus 3 times negative 3. Well, negative 3 squared is 9, so negative value of 9 is just negative 9. And then plus 3 times negative 3, that is also minus 9. So negative 9 minus 9, it's going to give me negative 18. And we're going to be doing the same thing for 2, 3, and 4. We look at the format, see what gets replaced, and all of these, the numbers inside parentheses, so that tells me all the x's in our problems will get replaced with that number. So 2, all the x's get replaced with negative 5. 3, all the x's get replaced with 28. And 4, all the x's will get replaced with 5. 5 and 6 is domain range, covered in the previous lessons. You state whether it's a function or not as well. And then 7 is the same. 8, I'll do 8. Given the function h of x equals 3x plus 7, find x when h of x equals 25. So here we look at what got replaced. We start off with h of x equals, and we are told h of x is equal to 25. So because h of x is equal to 25, this tells me h of x over here gets replaced with 25. So we end up with 25 equals 3x plus 7. And in order to solve for x, we'll subtract 7. And we get 18 equals 3x. We divide by 3. And we get an x value of 6. And then 9, I'll just do 1, so that way there you can kind of see what happens. A is f of 2, so again, remember, functions, we have f of x equals, so we need to ask ourselves what got replaced. 2 is in parentheses, x is in parentheses, so this tells me x equals 2. So I go to where x equals 2, and I'm going to go up or down to see where my line is. I see it is here, and it is crossing when y equals 2. So that would be reading the graph in order to figure out what my y values are, or in the case of E and F here, I give you the y values, and you got to figure out what the x value is. So that is, again, using function notation to determine x and y values.